Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn practical number 5 of module number 2, advanced Python for data science. So this is your question. The code is import pandas as PD, import cborn as SNS, import matplotlib.pyplot has plot. Pandas is used for creating and handling the tabular data like I mentioned earlier. Cborn is used for creating statistical plots. Matplotlib is used to customize the title, label and display the plot. Next we have is data, department and salary. So I've created two category lists in here, department and the salary. Department is my categorical column and salary is my numerical column, where each department appears multiple times with different salaries. Next, df is equal to pd.dataframe data, which is where I'm creating a data frame and I'm displaying it with the help of printf. sns.barplot data is equal to df, x is equal to department, y is equal to salary. So here, what does it do? I'm creating a bar chart. My x-axis would be my department and y-axis would be my salary. Here, Cborn automatically calculates the mean average, can say salary for each department. Next, we have is plot title average salary per department, plot x label department, plot y label average salary. Now, here I'm adding a label which displays me average salary per department, and in the x-axis it will show me department and y-axis show me average salary. So the output over here is it shows the employee department salary, experience, age, and performance score in the tabular-like structure. Then it displays the graph using the employee data which has been given, and it shows the average salary by department. It can be any department. It can be an employee. It can be school department or whatever the department is. So showing me the average scale with the help of the graph. So here I can compare the department. I can find the average salary. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any doubts related to the topic, you can drop a comment. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.